Hello everyone, don't mind the barking dogs outside or any other noises that you hear because for whatever reason it's super noisy outside today. I don't know why, but just ignore it. Today I wanted to share with you guys my makeup organization, how I organize it. I know I've done a video sort of like this in the past, but I mainly wanted to focus on the affordable makeup organizers that I own. I know that a lot of makeup organizers can be really expensive. A lot of things like this online can be super expensive. And so I just wanted to share with you guys where I get mine from and how much they cost, just so that you guys can see that there are other alternatives out there to the ones that are like, you know, $100+. I can't afford that. I don't think most people can afford that. So I just wanted to give you guys some quick tips and show you guys where you can purchase these items so that if you're looking to organize your makeup and have it, you know, organized in a certain way that you think is cute or whatever you want to do with it. Hopefully this helps you guys out and saves you guys some money. So without further ado, we can just go ahead and get started. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring that notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. If you guys want to learn more about my affordable makeup organization, then just keep watching. In my videos, I get a lot of questions and comments about the organization back here. I have some people that have said that they really like it and have asked where I get things from. I've gotten people texting me asking me how I organize my makeup and what I use, and so I just thought this video would be super helpful to explain where I get these and how I don't break the bank with it. Like I said, there are a couple other videos where I've talked about it, but I don't think I've done a full dedicated video just to the makeup storage aspect of my makeup collection. If you've been looking for makeup storage kind of like this and you don't want to break the bank, I think that these are really great options. Most of everything I get off of Amazon. That saves me a lot of money on there as well. Things are pretty affordable, plus I get free shipping. So yeah, if you have any other questions throughout this video, if you see anything that I don't mention and you want to know where I got it from, just let me know in the comments down below and I will be sure to answer you. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna apologize about 50 times for the noise. My neighbors are cutting down trees. So this right here is a lipstick holder that I've got off Amazon. I'll have all the prices of everything up in the top corner so you can see how much they cost, but I personally like, you know, organizing my lipsticks this way just so that I can see them. I'm just going to be able to reach for them easier rather than them being in a drawer. And so this is just where I like to put them. And then on down here, this little drawer I originally got to be my everyday makeup drawer. Obviously, with my makeup collection expanding, I have gotten a bigger one since then. I just like to put little odds and ends in here. I have some foundations, some mixing mediums that are white, and some loose eyeshadows in there. So I just think it's super cute, and I like the little knobs on the front of it. This is like one of my favorite things, this shelf right here. I absolutely love. And then with this on top of it, I just really like it. I just think it's really cute. Just something to hold little things. So yeah, so since my makeup collection has expanded and I use a different organizer to organize my everyday makeup, that is where this has gone, basically just holding little loose odds and ends. But if you don't have a very big makeup collection and you want something small and simple, then I think that this would be super cute. You can put it on your vanity in your bathroom or wherever, on your desk, wherever you need it. It's really cute, small and compact, and it actually holds quite a bit of stuff. And then down here is another little thing to hold your eyeshadow palettes. I actually got this from Hobby Lobby and it was pretty affordable. If I remember, if I can find it, I'll link it, but you can always find a 40% off coupon at Hobby Lobby as well. I just use this to store some of my eyeshadow palettes, just to kind of showcase some of my eyeshadow palettes and where I can see them. Again, if I see things, the more that I reach for them. So that's why I like having these things out where I can see them. It's just easier for me to see them and reach for them. But the main thing that I wanted to talk about were these organizers right here. So these are two different organizers actually. This bottom one starts right here. So there's 6 drawers on this one, and then this top one has 7 drawers. So you got 3 big drawers and then 4 small drawers, and then down here you've got 2 small drawers and 4 big ones. So these ones up here, I like to store kind of my smaller things. Those have my mascaras in it. These have all of my eyeliners in it, and I like them because the drawers pull out, which is really nice. So I can just pull it out, grab what I need, and go. And then I've just kind of organized, you know, my lipsticks by, I mean, these are all my ColourPop ones and kind of like my pencil stuff. These ones are, I believe, like the satin matte kind of lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. These are all of my actual liquid lipsticks. For high end, I believe these are all of my affordable liquid lipsticks. And then these are all of my glosses. And then in here I have my brow products. In here I have my concealers, my powders, my highlights, my bronzers, and my blushes. So you'll obviously see this isn't everything that I have, but honestly, I love putting things in here. I like being able to see things, and I just think it looks nice on my vanity. So like I said, these do come apart, but they do stack just right on top of each other. I've never had an issue with them falling off or anything like that. And then up here at the top, you have those little, I'm pretty sure they're for lipsticks, but I've put my nail polishes in them, and then I have my setting sprays right there and some more foundations back there. So they do have a bunch of little compartments in there. So I just personally think it's really, really nice to hold all of my makeup. Again, this isn't all of my makeup, but they are super, super affordable, and I've had them for multiple years now, traveled across country with them, never had an issue with them breaking. And so these are just ones that I really enjoy. Okay, and this right here, we're gonna pretend like it isn't empty and like it isn't dirty with all of my fingerprints on it. I'm going to do another video with my everyday makeup and kind of organizing that. So this is my everyday organizer. It's really, really nice. So this first drawer, it comes with these little inserts, and I put paper behind them to kind of keep them more sturdy. That's the only thing, is that these inserts aren't super, super sturdy, but you can remove them and just use them as 3 drawers basically. But I wanted like 3 different compartments. I'll show you a little clip of it, what it looks like after with all my makeup inside it, but it just has these 3 compartments. And they're really big too. The drawers themselves are really big, so they can fit a lot. And then up top, I have just kept some lipsticks that I use all the time. Then I pulled my beauty blenders, and then some skincare setting spray, and my brush cleaner right there. So it's just all really easy to get to. I have all my brushes in here. I just got this little thing from Ross. So this one was super affordable too. Got it off of Amazon as well. That is my everyday makeup organizer. It's just something quick and easy that I can just pull the things that I'm trying to use or things that I use on a daily basis out of here. So I really like that. Okay, and then just to quickly show you a little bit of how I organize the inside of my drawers. These little white ones I get in like a 3-pack from Walmart for like 97 cents or something like that. Super, super cheap. And I actually really like them. I'll show you another drawer in a minute where I've organized it pretty well. And then this is like an acrylic organizer that I hold highlights and blushes and bronzers and things like that inside there. So nothing too crazy, and I don't know, I just think it works. I feel like there's so many expensive organizers out there that, you know, they look really pretty, but they cost so much money, and I just feel like this works too. So this is the drawer that I've used those white plastic inserts in, and again, I've gotten them all from Walmart, and I feel like this keeps everything really, really organized, and I actually like the way that it looks a lot. So I've got, you know, my foundations and primers, single shadows, kind of glittery shadows, cream highlight and cream bronzers. I've got lip liners back there and kind of my extra stuff back there. So I honestly really, really like how this is all organized, and it was super, super affordable. This maybe cost me like $2, $2, $3 tops. I mean, it's so inexpensive compared to all the other online organizers that you can find that are so dang expensive. So for me personally, I like this. I like the way it looks, and it was super affordable. Okay guys, that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this helps you guys out and saves you some money on organizing your makeup. And I'll have everything linked down in the description box below so they're easy to find. And that's it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.